So you're a candidate for spinal cord stimulation. What should you expect? The great thing about spinal cord stimulation is that you can try it with a temporary system first to see how it works for you. Your doctor will insert temporary leads into your back that will connect to an external stimulator and will consult with you to build customized stimulation programs for you to test out over the next few days. Next, your Nuvectra representative will walk you through how to use your system. Your representative will provide support to you throughout your trial period, which typically lasts anywhere from 3 to 7 days. Most people are able to go home the same day of their trial procedure. Over the next few days, see how the system works for you and test how spinal cord stimulation feels. Try the different stimulation programs while performing different activities: sitting, standing, walking, sleeping, your normal activities, and keep track of how you feel. Your Nuvectra representative will be available for support and any questions you may have. Concentrate on where you felt pain prior to the procedure and see how the system helps provide pain relief in that area. Your doctor will provide you with specific instructions to follow after your procedure. You should avoid certain activities during the trial, including bending, twisting, stretching, or other vigorous activity. No lifting heavy weight, anything over 5 pounds, and don't drive while the stimulation is turned on. Take a sponge bath instead of a shower or bath during your trial period. After your trial period concludes, you'll consult with your physician on the results of your trial and next steps for a permanent implant. Most people who try the Algovita system experience significant pain relief. Our goal is to help our patients achieve a life beyond pain. To learn more about the Algovita SCS system, consult with your doctor or visit lifebeyondpain.com.